Hello YouTube, TechSavagePro here. Welcome back to another ASMR video. And of course, if you're looking for an ASMR, don't watch this video. It's not a real ASMR. Because this is TechSavagePro and I make tech videos, and I know a lot of you are probably getting tired of this whole Roku video idea thing. I should have took the past videos and just made one whole video with 3 apps and like how I felt and stuff on them. But if you do like them and how like I separated them and broke it down, let me know in the comments. Give me like critical feedback, things that I can improve, things you want to see. That really helps me. While you're at it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share, of course, because that really helps me as well. It helps me get more people's feedback, hopefully. So if you can, please comment on the video. Preferably a serious comment that can help me, but I'm not gonna really care if you like mess around in the comments. Just please try to at least provide some serious information, because I could really use it. But I'm not gonna be just only making Roku videos. I want a lot of my already subscribed users or viewers to know that I am gonna be making other tech videos as well. So note that this is just a mistake because I wasn't prepared to find all of these different Roku applications all in a short period of time. I thought it might take a while, but I was wrong. But again, let me know if you want to see me make this a series, maybe like stupid iOS apps, stupid Android apps, just different app videos on different platforms. I mean, I personally think that it'd be a great video, but if you guys want to see it, then just let me know. But first, before you watch this video, leave the video now if you have serious issues with bubble wrap sounds, or you just hate the sounds of clicking, popping, ASMR, like ASMR sounds, can't talk, but ASMR sounds, like, or like popping sounds, things like that, because this is probably the most annoying Roku app that you can possibly find. It's called Bubble Wrap, and the description of this is who doesn't like bubble wrap. Of course, you install it the exact same way I've explained in the past videos, the same way that I installed the snake game in the first one that I explained that in. But if you haven't seen those, go ahead and watch those. Rundown is go to the website or the app, make sure that you're logged in, or your device is selected, and then go ahead and click add whatever app you're gonna use, and then poof, you have it on your device. It may take a minute or two to appear, but once it's there, it's there. You can use it, have fun, do whatever. But of course, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and pop some bubble wrap. So as you can tell, let me turn it up so you can get the full experience, because it's a very immersive experience. You must feel the bubble wrap. It's just, you have to feel it. It's an experience like no other. Oh yes, it's very realistic. Now I actually started this earlier. It does start out with like a full sheet. I saved the last video, or the last bubble, just for you guys. So we're about to see what happens when you pop all of them. Oh, I guess nothing. I guess you just beat the game. I'm not quite sure, but you could always just, you know, of course, reopen it, and then of course it's got the bubble wrap, so pop, pop, pop. Apparently you can also pop 2 or 3 at a time. And of course, it's just a regular button or whatever you're using. So this is a great way to annoy anyone who hates the sound of clicking, popping, or general sounds made by bubble wrap, of course. Because I'm not gonna lie, after a while, it will drive someone crazy. But that's with any sound. Just do it long enough and loud enough, and you're golden. But hopefully you did like this video, and hopefully you go ahead, subscribe if you're new, or even if you're not, make sure that you do have those notification bells turned on. And as always, peace out. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. But again, as always, peace out. See you in the next one.